All right, let me show you how to expand your stand. There's a couple things, maybe not super intuitive, but it'll make all the difference in the world. So this comes very compact, broken down. This is less than 22 inches, I think, with this stand cap on here. All right, so first of all, you're gonna just open up the legs. So you're gonna pull those down and they fold down, and then they're gonna end up in this kind of configuration. And you could go super wide, but honestly, most of the time I just recommend people keep it down almost in its full down position. This ring right here is the most critical piece, or the most important critical piece of this operation, and that is you've got to really tighten that down. So if you're looking down at it, imagine it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Really crank on it, and you shouldn't get any kind of flex in these legs when that's really cranked, all right? So then, right, loosen that up. If you're looking from the top when you turn it right, feels like you're going left when you're holding it here, like you're going this way. All right, do that all the way up. I work my way up from the bottom just so that I make sure the thickest parts of the stand are extended the maximum height. And you can just keep right on going. Typically I leave this at a height where I can get to it so that I can set my VOO drop frame on here. And then once I get that on, then I'm gonna go ahead and extend it to the height that I need for my web call.